Innovation and technology experts from around the world will head to Macau in May. Now, the region will host the third Beyond International Technology Innovation Expo. Chen Xiaoshu previews this year's event.
As the boundaries of business expand from reality to the virtual world, the theme of the 2023 Beyond Expo is Technology Redefined. The event is one of Asia's leading annual tech gatherings, exploring the latest innovations and trends. This year, it will feature an exhibition area of 100,000 square meters. More than 1,000 companies and 20,000 experts and industry leaders from China and beyond are expected to take part.
The Beyond Expo aims to bring together influential scientists, innovative entrepreneurs, and experts in social responsibility to exchange ideas through exhibitions and industry summits. The goal is to go beyond traditional technology exhibitions and become a top global platform for technological exchange and display.
The expo will focus on three key areas: healthcare, sustainability, and consumer tech.
Since the pandemic is gone and border is open, so definitely we're going to see more international companies, startups, entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, and of course medias come to Macau this year. And also I think this year's Beyond Expo will be more professional, because if you look at the three categories we are looking at, healthcare, sustainability, and the consumer tech, each sector is going to have its own exhibition area and also stage.
Macau's hotel, tourism, and service industries are expected to benefit from the territories hosting the global event, which is seen as important for Macau's economic development.
Macau plays the role as the window and bridge to help mainland science and technology enterprises to go global. Besides, the expo is an important practice for Macau to build an international technology exchange platform for communication and cooperation between global enterprises and the mainland, based on Macau's development positioning of one center, one platform, and one base.
I expect this year's expo will be a bridge for the global technology community. By increasing the importance of Macau and neighboring Hengqin Island in the areas of global science and innovation ecology, it's expected that their technology industries will also develop.
Chen Xiaoshu, CGTN, Beijing.